Hi, this is Dr. Young. I just wanted to talk about uh, the issue of lower eyelid dark circles and um, uh, bags under the lower eyelids. Now, traditionally, plastic surgeons typically made an incision underneath the eyelid or inside the eyelid to remove the fat located in the lower eyelid region. And for the extra skin, they typically remove a little skin underneath the eyelid. Now, that was the method that many surgeons used for many years in the past to improve the way the lower eyelid bags looked, as well as the dark circles under the eye. Now, that can definitely make a person look better in this area. However, a lot of times what it does is that it can make a person look more hollowed in that area and more skeletonized. They definitely can look better, but a lot of times they don't actually look younger, and specifically natural and younger. And the reason why is because when you grow older, you actually lose tissue underneath the eye as well as in the cheek. And that is really the process that reveals the lower bone, the eye bone here called the infraorbital bone, and also because of the thinning of this lower eyelid skin in this area, you tend to also form dark circles because the eye muscle shows through the skin more easily. Now, when you remove fat underneath here, you can improve some of the bagginess, but it doesn't conceal the bone that is more exposed, as well as the darkness underneath the eye where the muscle shows through more through the skin. Really the best way to make that look natural and better and younger is to actually fill this area with some sort of volume. Now, many people in the past have used dermal fillers to fill in this area, such as Radius, Restylane, Juvederm, and collagen fillers. But a lot of times those products don't actually look natural in that area. A lot of times what those products can do is cause sort of a translucent type of appearance in this area, and a lot of times it really doesn't look natural. In my opinion, the best way to improve the lower eyelid bags and the dark circles is actually to add fat in this area through fat injections, and that is a wonderful way to make the lower eyelids look more rejuvenated, natural, and younger, and to avoid the bagginess in the lower eyelids, as well as the extra skin that resides in there, as well as the darkness that shows through because of the muscle showing through the thinner skin. When you use fat, you can add a layer between the skin and the muscle, which helps to camouflage the dark appearance of the muscle through the skin. In addition, the fat can also plump up the cheeks in this area and serve as a nice transition from your cheek into your lower eyelid. And the beauty about fat transfer is that it can be done with essentially no incisions. The only thing that's required to rejuvenate this area is to use very small puncture holes, almost the size of a mosquito bite, located here and here. And through these very, very small puncture holes, you can actually rejuvenate this whole area by adding fat layered very nicely through this whole area, as well as in the cheek, as well as in the upper part of the lateral cheek, to really rejuvenate the lower eyelid and cheek area for a younger and natural result.